In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on webcam and camera in Windows 10 or 11. So there are two easy methods. First one, click on the search icon and type open settings. Then left click on privacy and security. Now navigate camera, this one. So click on it. Now turn on camera. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps have camera access when this is on. Now let apps access your camera. So in particular application you can turn on and turn off camera, like you want to use camera in Skype. So in front Skype, turn on here. So and another way to turn on camera, click on this search icon, type camera. Open this camera application. So like this guys, you can turn on camera and webcam in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching.